What's up, peeps? It's Camera Kid 92 here. Hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing something that was kind of an impulse purchase, but it was also something I've been considering for a while. So what I'm going to be unboxing, as you know from the title, is a PS Vita. It is PlayStation Vita. I keep wanting to call it a PSP Vita, but it's actually just PS Vita. And it's funny because I was talking about this with my cousin Dylan from my soda taste test videos, and he keeps calling it the PSP Vista. So none of us can pronounce this console right. But anyways, it is a PS Vita. I'm really excited to unbox this with you guys. I purchased it new online. It is the Japanese version. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's all in Japanese font. But it's region free, so you can use it pretty much anywhere in the world. Doesn't matter. So yeah, PS Vita, really excited. Before I open it up, I just wanted to say a few things. First of all, before you say anything, I know the PS Vita is kind of like a mixed bag with the PlayStation community. I ordered this, and after the fact, of course, I should have researched it probably a little better, but the reason why this was kind of like a mixed reaction with people was because it uses exclusive memory cards that are only exclusive to the PS Vita, which honestly I think is a really stupid idea. I don't understand why you just can't use micro SD. I know there's hacks you can do to use the adapters and stuff, but I don't really want to get into that because I'm not really tech savvy like that. And another reason why I got the PS Vita is because I know it's still supported with the online PlayStation store. So that's another reason why I got the Vita, just because it's, it's more up to date, I guess. And just the reason why I'm getting this in general is because I've never had a PlayStation of any kind. I've never had a PlayStation. I've never had a PSP. Always wanted a PSP. I remember when it first came out, back in 2005 or so. It was the coolest thing, but I just never got around to getting one. And as you know, as I've talked about in every video, I've been working on my Leebles channel with my cousin Dylan. It's video that we shot throughout the years, just our adventures and stuff. Well, the videos I just uploaded, he got a PSP Go for Christmas, and I was like, PSP. And plus my little cousin Cameron, he just got a PlayStation 4. So I'm I've just been thinking of PlayStation a lot more lately. So, I was you know what? I've never had a PSP, so let me just get a PS Vita. And another reason why I got the Vita is because I honestly prefer handheld gaming as opposed to sitting by my TV and gaming, just because I'm at work, I'm at my boyfriend's, I'm at my friends, my cousins, I kind of am on the go a lot, so I really love handheld gaming. I have my Nintendo Switch with me everywhere. And I know there's emulators you can do for your phone, but I just having the actual console that was meant for the game. I just feeling that console in my hand. So that, I know the PS Vita is mixed with people, and I know people are probably gonna say, why did you get that? Why did you blah blah blah? But you know what? At the end of the day, guys, whatever makes you happy. So I'm really excited to open this. Let me shut up. I've actually been trying to record this video for half an hour, and I kept messing up my words. I did it again. I'm really excited to open this. All right, let me shut up. Let's open it together. All right, guys, so here's the box. PS Vita. It is the 2000 edition, so it's the more recent version. It's in black, and as you can see on the back, it is all in Japanese, so I don't know what any of this really says. Thankfully, I have a Translate app on my phone. All right, let's open it up, shall we? Got the tab here. Dun, 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 dun. So here we got your usual paperwork, but it's all in Japanese. Pretty cool, I think. I love Japan. I love Japanese culture. I just think it's awesome. So really cool. I mean, I guess I could just use my Translate app if I really need to, or just look it up online. PS Vita, Japanese. Here's the manual. You don't want to see that stuff. You don't want to see the PS Vita. Welcome to the world of PlayStation. I'm so excited. This is the first PlayStation console I've ever purchased. Really cool. So there's all that stuff. We got the charging cord, I believe, and it is a micro USB, so that's really handy. Here is the plug for the charger. Here is the charging brick, Sony PlayStation, and what we're all here to see. My heart is like racing. I'm so excited. Dun, 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 dun. The PS Vita. Oh boy, I'm so excited. Oh, here it is, guys. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's so nice. So shiny. Here's the back. Also really shiny. Got a camera back there. Really cool. Buttons feel good. So yeah, here it is, the PS Vita. Let's turn it on, shall we? See if it's powered on at all. Might have to charge it, not sure. Oh wow, would you look at that? It's starting up. Oh guys, I'm so excited. Ooh, it's touch too, which another thing I like. Touch screen. Oh, let's set it up. So, since it's region free, you can pick whatever language. Alright guys, well I'm going to set this up and I will be right back. Alright guys, well my PS Vita is all set up and I was just playing around with the welcome park. There's definitely a lot of cool features so far on this thing that I didn't even realize I could do, which is actually really awesome. I'm going to be messing around with it more pretty much all night. So yeah guys, I mean I think that pretty much summarizes my unboxing of the PS Vita. Really excited to play around with this, get to know it, downloaded some games, really excited. Let me know in the comments any PlayStation games that I could play on this that you guys recommend. I'm willing to pretty much try anything. Alright guys, well let me know in the comments how you're doing, what you think of the PS Vita, what your favorite game system is, and yeah. Alright guys, well I hope you're all doing well. Camera Kid 92 with my PS Vita, signing out.